When you hear polar vortex, what comes to mind? Brutal cold, snowstorms, frozen pipes. In this video, we're breaking down what a polar vortex really is, why it matters in 2025, and how you can stay ahead of its icy grasp. Let's chill, pun intended. The polar vortex is like the Earth's icy crown, a spinning ring of frigid air and low pressure that encircles the poles. It's strongest in the winter months and can stretch for thousands of miles. But here's the kicker. When it weakens or shifts, all that cold air spills southward. Think of it as nature's refrigerator door swinging open. So why does the polar vortex sometimes misbehave? It's all about the jet stream, the high altitude winds that act like a fence for the vortex. A strong jet stream keeps the cold locked up north, but when it weakens due to warming patterns, El Nino events, or other atmospheric phenomenon, it allows Arctic air to wander south, bringing frigid chaos. In 2025, meteorologists will be keeping a close eye on the polar vortex. Current predictions suggest it's stronger than usual, which typically means less extreme cold for most of us, but don't pack away your winter coat just yet. Brief disruptions are still expected, leading to sudden drops in temperature for regions like Louisiana, North Carolina, and even parts of New England. A polar vortex event can do more than just freeze your toes. It can disrupt power grids, snarl travel plans, and even lead to increased heating costs. Farmers brace for frost damage, while wildlife adapts or struggles in extreme conditions. Fun friggin' fact, the polar vortex even affects space. Cooling temperatures in the stratosphere can mess with satellite communications. Remember the 2014 polar vortex? That year, temperatures in Chicago hit a bone-chilling negative 16 degrees Fahrenheit, with wind chills making it feel like negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Cities across the Midwest and East Coast came to a standstill, and the economic cost over $5 billion. It's a stark reminder of how powerful and costly this phenomenon can be. Preparation is key. First, winterize your home by sealing drafts and insulating pipes. Second, stock up on essentials. Think non-perishable food, flashlights, and batteries. And finally, have a plan for staying warm in case of power outages. Your future self will thank you. Here's a cool fact. The term polar vortex wasn't widely known until a 2014 cold snap made it go viral. And did you know the coldest place in the solar system isn't on Earth? It's on Uranus, with temperatures dropped to a mind-numbing negative 371 degrees Fahrenheit. Makes the polar vortex seem downright crazy, huh? Climate change has a big role in polar vortex behavior. As the Arctic air warms faster than the rest of the planet, a phenomenon called Arctic amplification, it disrupts the jet stream, making cold air outbreaks more frequent and unpredictable. It's a chilling example of how interconnected our climate really is. So what's the takeaway? The polar vortex is more than just a weather buzzword. It's a fascinating force of nature that shapes our winters. Stay prepared, stay curious, and drop us a comment below with your craziest winter story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for more frosty friggin' facts.